Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to remove and replace cabin filter on Hyundai Tucson year 2006. It is the same for all Tucsons, all the engines. Open the drawer. Here you see the string. See? Yeah. Move drawer a little. Yes. Pull the string as much as you can and straighten it and take it through the hole. Now you have these. You have to pull them inside, so a little inside. You see, a little inside, so this would go, so it moves like this. Take it all out. Take them all out here. Do the same here. So take them like this and take them all out, yes, like this. Now you can put the drawer like this, and now you have on each side, just press these two flicks together and this, and just remove the filter out. As you see, this one is quite dirty. That's it. This is the same process backwards. And that's it. Thank you.